We gon' ball like Spalding. Yeah, fuck the phone, we ain't calling. Yeah, we gon' ball like Spalding. Yeah, fuck a phone, ain't calling. Yeah, but if she call, I might answer. Yeah, I like dancers. No clothes on that bitch. Yeah, I swear that God, she look handsome. Bruh.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Fabulous HD.
And my name is Jetta.
And today we're going to be reacting to this Maury bird and mustard phobia. So apparently these two women are scared of birds and mustard, which is really weird. This was actually requested in my last video, and I haven't got a reaction request in about a couple of months now. So I thought it was only right if I do it. As you guys know, I'm going to chop parts out in the video. So if you want to see the original video in its entirety, please follow the link down in the description. But without any further ado, let's go.
It goes down in the film.
You do not like our fine feathered creatures.
How you scared of birds though, fam? I love birds, especially parrots.
No, I was just too little to watch that picture. Alfred Hitchcock, The Bird.
Oh, the bird.
It freaked me out.
The movie.
Yes, and it just freaked me out every time.
Okay, so she's scared of birds because of a movie she's seen.
Bring out the little bird. Look at the little bird. Okay, just bring out the little bird.
She's gonna die.
Wow, it's a bird. Wow.
Is she really running around? Cause a
She's-
bird?
She's scared of this little bird. Like, you expect a child to be scared of a bird, not a grown lady.
Okay. There are no birds out there. There's no birds. No birds.
How you scared of birds though?
Now, who thinks she's faking? You're wrong. And you're so wrong.
She already.
She next.
She finna leave. She never seen her.
Louise,
She know what's up.
you're not going to believe this. Louise is petrified of mustard.
Mustard?
Mustard though? It
She
doesn't
don't like
make
the
sense.
color or the taste?
I got to talk to you about
Oh my goodness.
All right.
You scared of mustard?
Please, nobody is scared of something like ketchup. Are you scared of ketchup? You love ketchup.
I love ketchup.
Oh my god.
How do you like ketchup but not mustard?
They're like friends.
She says she works at Burger King, but she's scared of mustard.
So when they ask mustard when their bird is so, she like, I can't do it.
It doesn't even make sense.
Look,
How you scared of mustard and you work at a fast food place that offers mustard?
I'm telling you, I will kick your ass.
They haven't even brought them. Oh, there
Oh
it is.
my god.
Ugh.
Did they? You look nasty, but I'm scared.
No, yes, they take her. It's a plate of mustard. Did you?
Gary, you ever seen anything like this? Yeah, it's pretty bad. She's definitely.
So she was willing to use the woman as a human shield against mustard.
Really serious about not having control of her. She's serious about it. There's no question about it, but I want to make sure she's just as serious about wanting to make her change.
Okay, everybody, that was the mustard and bird phobia on the Maury show. When I first heard about this, I thought it was gonna be children or something. I think it was gonna be grown ladies afraid of birds and mustard. That's really weird.
I'm a little scared of birds like flying around me, but I'm not scared of like from a far away distance and I'm like they're on the screen or picture. In a mustard, I don't really get that. She probably don't like the color, the taste, or the look of it.
I heard the lady with the mustard phobia works at a fast food place, so I don't see how you're scared of mustard and you work at a place that offers mustard, as I said in the video. And the lady with the bird phobia. I mean, I don't understand it either. I mean, what are the chances of a bird coming close to you? I mean, think about it in your life. Like, how many birds have came up to you? I mean, like, legit just, like, flew around you or something like that. Let me know down in the comment section below. Like I said, we're going to chop parts of this video out. So if you want to see the full video, please follow the link down in the description. Please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all of it. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Peace.